Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis & Company. So the topic is, what if police officer refuses to lodge the FIR? FIR means first information report. It is the first information received after the commission of the cognizable offences. FIR is registered for the cognizable offences under section 154 clause 1 of the CRPC 1973. Cognizable crimes are those crimes in which police can arrest an accused without a warrant. It is not always illegal when the officer is charged refused to lodge in an FIR, as it all depends upon the reason because of which the police officer refuses to lodge an FIR. So, if the police officer refuses to lodge on FIR because the case does not fall with their jurisdiction, deals with an offence which is non-cognizable in nature, or it is outside their legal capacity, in such circumstances, the refusal of lodged an FIR is legitimate and justified. So, although if an FIR is refused on the ground of jurisdiction, it is mandatory for the police officer to record information about the commissioner of cognizable offences and forward the same to the police station having proper jurisdiction. So otherwise it would be amount to dereliction of duty. Statutory remedies under section 154 clause 3 CRPC. When an informant writes to register an FIR is refused, he and she cannot approach the superintendent of police and submitted the substance of such information in the writing by the post. If the superintendent of the police is satisfied that such information disclosed the commission of a cognizable offence, then he might investigate the case himself or direct an investigation to be made any police officer subordinate to him. Under section 156 clause 3, read with section 190 CRPC. If an importment remains unsatisfied even after pursuing the remedy under section 154 clause 3, he and she can further the remedy mentioned under section 156 clause 3, read the section 190 CRPC. So there is the different channel to get the FIR registered. This remedy is similar to the process of registering a complaint for non-cognizable offence. As through this channel, a magistrate first take cognizance of an offence under section 190 and then order for an consequential investigation under section 156 clause 3. Under section 200 CRPC, a complaint can be submitted to the magistrate orally or in written under section 200 of the CRPC. After the submission of a complaint, the magistrate will conduct a hearing decided upon these issues of cognizance. In this channel, the complaint and the witness thereof examined on oath in front of the magistrate. So, judicial remedy in this topic is a writ of mandamus can be filed under Article 226 or Article 32 of the Constitution of India, directing the police official to reform their duty and register an FIR. So, the another one is, in this channel, the complaint and the cases did not fall in their jurisdictions and the legal capacity to take cognizance of such an offences. In such circumstances, refusal to lodge an FIR is legitimate and justified. Although if an FIR is refused on the ground of jurisdiction, it is mandatory for the police officer information about the commission of cognizable offences. The commission of the cognizable offences is forward the same police station having proper jurisdiction. So, as it all depends upon the reasons because of which the police officer refuses to log an FIR. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.